Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And markets played out as expected. And I always say, I've observed many times in the past, if markets are falling towards the end of a series and then on the day of expiry, the markets will fall further, will close at the lowest closing of the series. And if that happens, the following day, the first trading session of a new series, markets will be uniformly bouncing. So that is what exactly happened. And last 6 trading session, Nifty fell about 1000 point. Yesterday, Nifty closed at the lowest point of the series. And today, markets bounce back. The question is whether this is a dead cat bounce or a trend reversal. So that only time will tell. But right now, I can tell you many positive things about today's market. Number one, global markets were not really very good. Asian markets, some were positive, some were negative. European markets also afternoon open, some positive, some negative. Even the US futures, Dow future was actually down while Nasdaq future was higher. That's because of Amazon results. Amazon came out with amazing results. So given the mixed global cues, Nifty rallied almost 200 points. So that is one positive. Second positive thing, today also FIIs have sold 1500 crores. The domestic institution, they just bought only for 300 crore. So there's a net institutional sell of about 1200 crore today. But despite that, the markets recovered nearly 200 points. And the broader markets also outperformed. And today, once again, as and when the markets recover, the first thing to fall very big is the India VIX. The India VIX fell by 7% and now it is back below 11. So, no, that is something very, very positive. So, overall, so this does not look like a dead cat bounce, but again, if the global cues continue to be bad, if the corporate results are continue to be bad, then things can change. But as of now, we can assume that the Thursday's low will be the good support. Now, looking at the open interest, I have never seen this kind of an open interest in many years. 19,000 put option as the highest open interest among the put options. 19,200 call option as the highest open interest among the call options. So the distance between these two is just 200 points. And November, especially this is a 5-week series. And there are so many corporate results are there. And the Fed meeting is there. So I don't think that Nifty is going to trade within a 200 point range. One of them, either 19,000 put sellers or 19,200 call sellers, one of them will be surely wrong. So my gut feeling says that, Nifty will be trading between 18,400 on the downside and 19,600 on the upside. So that's a very wide range of 1,200 points. So many reasons. Number one, globally things are not looking very good. And then FIIs continue to sell. Then 5-state election fever will start. And corporate results will be there. And plus it is a 5-week series. So therefore, markets bound to be very volatile, very choppy, and the range will be bigger one. So markets are waiting for Reliance results, which may come anytime. In US, the PCE data, personal consumption expenditure data, it came in line with expectation. I think year-on-year data was as expected, but month-on-month data was slightly higher. And it came under slight selling pressure, then after that recovered. Now the US markets are also moving. I will not be surprised if US markets, close more than 1% higher today, though Dow future is negative right now. That's because, the market seems to be oversold. And for that kind of overselling, the corporate results was not really very bad. So anyway, right now Amazon is up nearly 6%, 5.9%. I'm watching the live trading. And then next week Apple and Nvidia will be coming out with results. So let us hope that Nasdaq will recover. That's because I have a lot of positions in Nasdaq 100. So I trade in S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. So nowadays in my workshop, I will also be covering a little bit about US markets, although it is not required for everybody. But there are many of my workshop attendees are NRIs, it will be useful for them. So if you are interested in attending workshop, so you can check the description. So I'm having one workshop in Delhi and one workshop in Mumbai next month. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.